Hi friends. So first of all, happy Independence Day to you all guys. So in this video I'm going to make Indian flag in these two cubes. So now let's start with the 3x3 cube. So first keep your cube white front and yellow top, sorry, orange top, and apply this algorithm. Now we done the Indian flag in the 3x3 cube and do the same thing with the 5x5 cube. So now we make the Indian flag in 5x5 cube also. So happy Independence Day guys again, and happy cubing. See you guys in my next video.